welcome back to Mercy Zone. Thank you very much for stopping by today, and please subscribe, like and share this video. God bless you. So in this video, I will be making a Nigerian type of snack. It can also serve as a full meal when taken with bread, pap, and cassava flakes. Cassava flakes is a type of cereal made from processed cassava tuber. And here I have my 3 ingredients. This is my sweet pepper. You can also use any spicy pepper of your choice. And this is my chopped onions, and I have my salt here. And the main ingredients, which is the ground beans. The beans is the beans that is used for this akara is a kind of black-eyed beans. When you wash it very well to take off the peels, you dry it, then you grind it because it's gonna stay for a long time. And I am blending my sweet pepper and onions here. You can also add the spicy pepper if you're using one. So I'm adding my salt. Stir it together. Time for the pepper. Added more pepper. I call this sweet pepper my secret ingredient because it gives it a very unique and sweet taste. I'm adding water to it to get it to the right consistency. I'm gonna be doing a lot of stirring here. You want to stir it really good so you don't have any lump in it. Stir, stir, stir. You keep stirring until you make sure that so you keep stirring until you're sure that you don't have any lump in there. More stirring. I'm adding a little more water just to make sure I get it to the right consistency. I feel it needs more water, and I added a little bit more. Yay, and it's time to fry the akara. Just let the oil get hot, but not too hot. Otherwise, the akara will get burnt before it gets well cooked. And I tell you, this akara is going to be You can turn down the temperature of your stove if you feel the oil is getting too hot. And you don't want it too low because you do not want the akara to soak oil. So you just want it at the right temperature. and it is preferable to flip the akara with stick than using fork or spoon. Oh, this is looking yummy. So as our akara is frying, I am going to be telling us a short story about my childhood. And yes, I remember those days when we were still little kids, those very good old days. If our moms go to their business centers, markets, and shops, on their way back, you always expect them to come back home with akara. And even if they did not come back home with akara, they would give you money to go get some for yourself and your siblings and your friends and neighbors. I mean, it was usually a very fun time. Those good old days when each other's and one another's happiness mattered to everyone. So, Akara gives me a very lovely and wonderful memory. So, I think I'm going to name this my Akara, Akara Mama Chioma. Yeah. So, yeah. So Akara Mama Chioma is getting ready. He's getting ready. It is sure gonna be. Oh, look at that. I'm salivating already. This is the second batch. I'm making the second batch of the Akara. So making the pepper sauce for my Akara. This is how they used to do it in those days. So this is usually pepper, hot pepper. When I mean pepper, like spicy one. But here I'm using my sweet pepper and onions. Yay! My akara is ready. Look at that. Time to taste the akara. This is so yummy. I kid you not. You need to try making this at home. And tell me what you think about this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.